Hey there, radicals! Welcome back to our empowering journey into the realm of raw veganism. If you're joining us for the first time, you might want to check out part 1, where we delved into the first 15 principles of raw veganism. You'll find the link in the description. Now, in this second part, we're going to explore principles 16 through 26. These principles will guide you on how to maintain a raw vegan lifestyle mindfully, healthfully, and joyfully. Just a gentle reminder that while we've done our due diligence in creating these guidelines, we're not professional medical practitioners or nutritionists. These recommendations are general guidelines, and individual healthcare needs may vary. Always listen to your body, follow your gut, and consult your healthcare provider when necessary. So, without further ado, let's dive into Principle 16. Principle 16 is about mindful and rhythmic eating. It's about being fully present and aware during your meals. It's taking your time to savor each bite, appreciate the flavors, and pay attention to your body's signals of hunger and fullness. This practice isn't just about eating, it's about developing a healthier relationship with food. It's also about eating to the rhythm of nature. There is a reason they call the raw food diet the daylight diet. Eat when the sun is up and you're active, and rest and sleep when the sun is down. Moving on to Principle 17, we delve into the importance of reading labels. When buying packaged foods, it's crucial to read the labels. Look for whole, natural ingredients and avoid additives, preservatives, and artificial sweeteners. If you're dining out, don't shy away from asking the chef about the ingredients in your food. Remember, knowledge is power, and knowing what goes into your body empowers you to make informed choices. Principle 18 emphasizes on less. Less sugar, less salt, and less stress. Reducing your intake of refined sugars and excessive salt is not just a diet change, it's a lifestyle choice that promotes overall health. But it's not just about what you eat, it's also about how you live. Managing stress through relaxation techniques, exercise, and self-care supports your overall well-being. So it's not just about eating less, but also about stressing less. It's about understanding that less is more when it comes to your health. It's about making small, manageable changes to your lifestyle that can have a big impact over time. We've talked about the importance of mindful eating, the need to read labels, and the benefits of reducing sugar, salt, and stress in your life. But remember, it's not about perfection. It's about progress. It's about making small changes that can add up to big results over time. So, take a step towards mindful eating today. Start reading labels, cut down on sugar, salt, and stress. Moving on to Principle 19, we explore the power of intentional deep breathing. This isn't about the unconscious breathing we do to survive, but about truly immersing ourselves in the act of drawing breath. Deep, intentional breaths calm your nervous system, reduce stress, and increase oxygen flow to your cells. It's like sending a love letter to your body, telling it that it's time to relax and recharge. We then transition to Principle 20, which is to do more of what makes you happy. Happiness isn't just a state of mind, it's a lifestyle choice. Engage in activities that bring a smile to your face, a lightness to your heart. Whether it's pursuing a hobby, spending time with loved ones, or exploring new interests, these joyful moments are essential for your overall wellness. Remember, your happiness matters. Principle 21 emphasizes the importance of positive, healthy human interaction and connection. As social beings, we thrive on the energy and support of others. Surrounding yourself with uplifting people fosters a positive environment that can help you stay motivated and focused on your raw vegan journey. Seek connections with individuals who share similar values and goals. They can serve as your cheerleaders, your pillars of strength when the journey gets tough. In essence, your journey towards a raw vegan lifestyle isn't just about the food you consume, it's about filling your life with positive experiences, relationships, and emotions. It's about being mindful of your breath, your happiness, and the people you share your life with. Remember, every breath you take is a step toward a healthier you. Every smile, every moment of joy is a testament to your commitment to wellness. And every positive connection you make is a thread that weaves your support network, your community, your tribe. Your happiness and the people around you play significant roles in your wellness journey. Principle 22 is a call to choose organic and local. Opting for organic produce not only reduces your exposure to pesticides, but also supports sustainable farming practices. Plus, choosing locally sourced fruits and vegetables cuts down on environmental impact and ensures freshness. Moving on to Principle 23. It underlines the importance of practicing gratitude. Cultivating an attitude of gratitude towards the food you consume and the resources provided by nature can enhance your overall well-being and mindfulness. It's about appreciating the journey of your food from the farm to your plate. Now let's talk about Principle 24. Embrace balance and variety. A balanced and varied diet is key in the raw vegan lifestyle. Incorporating a diverse range of fruits and vegetables ensures that you receive a wide array of nutrients and phytochemicals essential for optimal health. Embrace the diversity of nature's bounty and cultivate an attitude of gratitude. As we approach the end of our list, Principle 25 encourages us to be socially and environmentally conscious. Our food choices can create ripples that extend far beyond our individual lives. By supporting fair trade, sustainable farming, and ethical practices, we contribute to a healthier planet and a more equitable food system. We're not just nourishing our bodies, but also nurturing the world around us. Now, the final principle, Principle 26, is about finding a supportive community and an accountability partner. Embarking on a raw vegan journey can be challenging, but it's a path you don't have to walk alone. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who inspire, motivate, and hold you accountable. This community becomes a source of strength and encouragement, making the journey not just manageable, but immensely enjoyable. Remember, you're not alone on this journey. Find your tribe and let them inspire you. And there you have it, radicals! We've delved into Principles 16 to 26, highlighting the importance of mindful choices, positivity, gratitude, balance, and community. Every step towards healthier choices counts. Stay empowered, stay inspired, and always remember, your health is your wealth. Until next time, radicals.